Juglu, are you sleeping? You're a good boy, Juglu. I've just received a parcel. I've ordered a beep for my friend's baby. So Saturday I'm going to meet her after so long. Like, you know, I met her when she was like 5-6 months pregnant, and then now she's back in Bangalore, and now her baby is almost like 5 months, and I'm so excited to meet her. Her name is Yashika, and I've ordered 2 things. This is a beep. I hope, yeah, I think this is a beep. It's a silicone beep, you know. So now she has started eating solid, so this will be very useful. I have also ordered one more parcel that was supposed to come today. I don't know, it's showing as it could not be delivered, but before it was showing as out for delivery. So that too, so that, okay, let me tell you what I've ordered. That is for like while taking a bath. So it's for the baby sitting, I don't know what you call it. I just show it here. This is how it looks like. So yeah, I'm just gifting, you know, useful things which will be useful. Let me just open and check this. Doya, oh my god, this is so cute. अरे किसका फोन आया था? So cute. So this is the table we have ordered. This is automatic table where you can do up and down. Currently, the one which currently we are using this. This is, again, this we got I think 3 years back. The one which we have ordered is also white in color, but a little bigger. It's almost 6 feet. This is 4 feet table, and that can be adjusted. That table is adjustable table. You can adjust the height of that table. So yeah, we're gonna change this, and this one I don't think so we're gonna use anymore for some time at least. Table, I have also ordered a lint roll. I think we have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages. I guess this one has that lint roll. Let me just open and see. Got a lint roller, and this is the holder. So the one holder which we are using currently, it's spoiled. This one has come out, so that's why I've ordered one more spare. The one which we're using is this. So this series, this comes out easily. Here, this is broken. So yeah, when you have cats, it's very important. Coco. Then I've ordered this. This is for your, protein powder or coffee mixer. It's really good, guys. Yeah, that's all. And in the evening, I'll show you guys once I install the table. I will show you the table, how it looks like. And then we chicken. This is so cute. And this is so comfortable, guys. This is not plastic, this is full rubber. So cute. Okay guys, that's all. Bye bye.